Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we have an interesting functional equations. We are given f of x plus 1 equals f of x minus 1 plus 1. And we want to find the general form of f of x given these functions. So let's start by solving this. The question says f of x plus 1. Suppose I replace every single x with x minus 1 to look for the general patterns. Here for f of x plus 1, it changed to f of x minus 1 plus 1 equals f of x minus 1 then plus 1. So having this, here becomes f of x equals f of x minus 2 plus 1. So this is what we have. Then, if you look at these lines of f of x equals f of x minus 2 plus 1, we see that every time we increases the input by 2, the function values increases by 1. So as far as we start increasing this by 2, every function will be increasing by 1. How do we know that? Suppose I replace this x. If x equals 2, I'm going to test for the value like 2, 4, and 6 and see how they increase by 1. So for the first one, we're going to have f of 2 equals f of 0 plus 1. Assume here is the first one. And also if I change this to 2, to 4, we have f of 4 equals f of 2 plus 1. But what is the relationship between this and this? If we try to replace this f of 2 by this, we are going to have f of 0 plus 2. So for every f of 4, it increased by 1. F of 2 increased by 1 as well when the input is 2. And let's test for the last one. For f of 6, this will be equals f of 4 plus 1. But when we change f of 4 to f of 0 plus 2, we are going to have this one becomes f of 0 plus 3. So we can see the pattern here that this number keeps increasing 1 by 1. As far as we are increasing the input by 2, this be increasing by 1. Then we are going to look for the general terms of f of x. So to put it in a general form, we are going to have f of x equals f of x minus 2 plus 1. So the next one here will be f of x minus 4 then plus 2. And the next one as well will be equals f of x minus 6 plus 3. And that is how it keeps going like that. So far we know this. Then let's generalize everything. So to generalize everything, we are going to have f of x equals f of x minus 2n then plus n. This is the general of what I have above, where n here is equals 1, 2, 3, and it keeps going like that. But if you look at this pattern, we are going to see a linear relationship here in form of a linear functions. So we now assume a linear functions. Let's say we have f of x equals ax plus b. So with this, we are going to have Since the function is f of x plus 1 equals f of x minus 1 plus 1, and we have already have a linear assumptions of a function, let's find f of x plus 1 from here. We replace x with x minus 1, x plus 1, then plus b. Also, for f of x minus 1, we are going to have it as a into bracket of x minus 1 plus b. By equating this together, we are going to have a bracket x plus 1 plus b equals a into bracket of x minus 1 plus b, then plus 1. So this is what we have. As when we look at these two sides, by expansion we have a times x, that is ax plus a times 1, we have it as a plus b equals a times x, that is ax minus a times 1, we have it as a plus b plus 1. But here is ax and ax. Both have the same operation at the two sides. This cancelled this. And also we have b, we have b. B also cancelled b. The only thing we have left at this left hand side is a equals right hand side is minus a plus 1. Then to know the value of a, we are going to take minus a to this left hand side. And we have a plus a equals 1. Therefore, a plus a, that is 2a, equals 1. And by dividing both sides by 2 here, we are going to have 2a over 2 equals 1 divided by 2. And 2 cancel 2, we have a equals 1 over 2. Since we have gotten the value of a, then let's come back to, well, we have not gotten the value of b, right? So let's come back to where we assume f of x equals ax plus b. But since a has been given as 1 over 2, then x plus b. B here is a member of real number. So we consider it as a constant value. So to make it in a general form, we just say f of x equals 1 over 2x plus c, where c is the constant of these functions. So this is how we solve this problem in this step by step. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. If you have another method, you can drop it in the comment box. Bye bye.